Can you say hi, Papa?
Hi, Papa.
Say I love you, Papa. Can you say thank you?
See you.
Go put your track back on.
Hey. Logan.
Is it broken? I'm gonna fix it.
Hey.
There. Put the cars down and stuff and show Papa that you know what to do. Put it down the ramps. You broke that one too? No. Can you say... Say, I love you. Show Papa where your tongue is. Show him where your nose is. Show him where your butt is. Hit him, where's your butt? Shake your butt. Can you shake your butt again? Want to show Papa your cool new tool thing? Oh, there's... Well, why'd you do that for? Show Papa our living room. Huh? It's a mess. You can show Papa Colton. There's Colton.
Cool.
Here's our big old TV. Shake your butt again for Papa. No. You like your new jersey? You
Hey, then. Stop it.
Oh, he did that before. I was gonna pick that up.
Sure you were.
It was. No, it wasn't. Hated. Say bye-bye, Papa. Love you. Say love you. Say bye, Papa.